Okay, try mine. Tastes like water. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing the Nespresso Vertuoplus. I got it on Black Friday. And honestly, I've been using the Keurig right here, but I decided it's time for something new, so I decided to try this one out. I got it in the color white right here. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. It's white. I was gonna get the matte black because that one is like so chic and pretty, but I decided for the white because it matches our kitchen. So it comes with this, what do you call this? Where you put the, like where you put the cup. And it's like adjustable. You can put it right here. Wait, oh, like this. Yep, like that. And then it comes with the water reservoir. I think this one goes right here, so you can move it from like side to side if you want in the back or in the front or whatever. And then it also came with the Aerochino 3, which is a milk frother. Yep. I actually have one of the mini frothers that I used to use for my coffee. It looks like this. Oh shit. It looks like this. So this one is definitely an upgrade compared to this one. This one is like a mini, like a mini frother. And it also came with this Nespresso sample box. It comes with 12 capsules in there, and this is what it looks like. So it pretty much has like different levels of, what is it called? So it has like different cup sizes. There's Alto, Gran Lungo, double espresso, or espresso and espresso. And then this is what they look like. This one, I think the smaller ones are like double espresso shots. And they do have little barcodes on the back. So what you do is like you just put it in here, and then you don't have to, you just press one button. And the barcode decides, like it tells the machine the amount of coffee and all that stuff. And yeah. Okay, you can turn that off. And then I think I have to clean this. No, I'm done. For now. Babe, I'm done. Okay, so to open it, this is, I guess you just go like this, and then that's where you put the little pod, and then once you're done, it goes back in the back, and there's like a little storage back here where all the capsules go. And it actually, when I ordered my capsules online, it came with the little recycle bags that you came with these recycling bags, and you can pretty much just put the capsules in here once you're all done with them and send it off to UPS, and they'll recycle it for you.
Or you can just throw them away. It saves time.
Oh. Alrighty, so I'm going to put the water back here. And it says to put mineral water. So I'll put 2 of these in here. So if it's orange like that, that's I think a way for you to tell that you're cleaning it. I don't know. I don't know. I haven't read the thing yet. But we'll just wait for this. Why is it hot? This is plastic. I hope it's not hot water, dude. Bro. There. Oh shit, it's hot. So it's not green, it's orange. So that means it's cleaning it, right? I saw that online. Just cleaning it out.
You should not be using plastic.
Just record that. No, you don't need that shit. Stop.
Estupido! Use plastic with hot water.
Okay, so besides the samples that they gave me, the 12 samples right here, I also went ahead and purchased some capsules, and I went a little crazy. But I wanted to try the holiday, which one is it? The holiday collection that they have, which is the Nordic Black. This has an intensity of 5. So cute. And then this one is Vanilla Princess Cake. Can't wait to try this one out as well. I heard this is really good. And then the other ones are Venezio, Vanilla, Caramelizio for caramel, Melozio for, I don't know, and then Columbia, and Hazelino for hazelnut, and the other, I think this is one of the stronger ones. It has an intensity of 8. This is Café de Cuba. Yeah. And then it also came with the sample. This is 2 espresso shots, so double espresso shots for the days that you want a stronger coffee. And then the little recycling bags are right here. And yeah, I'll show you guys how I make my coffee at home. Okay guys, so we decided to try the Vanilla Princess Cake. I don't know what this one's gonna taste like, but it has an intensity of 5. So I'll go ahead and pop it in here. Okay, so a little trick that I'll show you guys to make the best caramel macchiato. Trust me, you won't ever have to go to Starbucks again. So I'm just gonna drizzle. This is the Tirani caramel. I'm just gonna drizzle some on the side. Okay. And we're gonna go ahead and turn this baby on. So I think just one button. Yep. There you go. So they just dropped it back there. Okie dokie. So this is what we have, and then I'm gonna go ahead and froth my milk and creamer. So we only want it at the first line, maybe, yeah. So if you press it one time, it's cold froth, and then if you press it for 2 seconds, it'll be cold froth. So I fucked up. I did hot when I have like an iced coffee. Oh shit. Oh my gosh. Yo. Alrighty, so taste test. I'm gonna go first and then I'll have Brandon try it. This one's good. So Brandon's gonna try it. Do you like it?
It's good.
Liar. Hey guys, my dad's gonna try it. Moment of truth. Yes or no? Okay guys, guess who showed up to my house with Vietnamese coffee? Let me try hers. Okay, try mine. Tastes like water. Alright guys, she wants hazelnut. Yeah. So we're gonna try that one. What nut?
Exactly.
Okay. Because I think it's like dark and then light.
That smells good.
That's better than the other one, honestly.
Yo. Stop.
Smells so good, huh? Oh, look. Brandon, this one looks better than ours. Yo, what? Oh my gosh. That's a lot of coffee. Here you go, Your Highness. Drink this shit.
You're just giving this to me like that.
You want
There's
ice?
no milk in there. Where's the shit?
That's how you like it, dark, right?
Bruh.
You guys.
It tastes like dirty water.
That one tastes better than ours. Right? We put creamer and milk.
That's all you need.
Alright guys, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed my video. Vanilla princess cake is good, but this one is a vanilla this one is a vanilla flavor with a blend of with hints of raspberry. So I'm not really a big fan of the raspberry part, but I feel like all the other flavors will be okay since those are like Columbia, hazelnut, vanilla, caramel, and all that stuff. So yeah, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.